I'm going to buy some groceries on my way home. The company needs to purchase new equipment for its expansion. Now, buy means खरीदना in Hindi. Purchase also means खरीदना in Hindi. So, what's the difference in their usage? Let's see. Buy is more common in everyday conversations. It is often used for small, everyday transactions. For examples, buying groceries, movie tickets, clothes, etc. Examples, I'm going to buy milk for preparing milkshake. Can you buy me a coffee? I bought a new phone yesterday. Purchase is often used for business, finance, and official contexts. It is used for larger, more significant, or expensive transactions. For example, purchasing a house. Examples, the company made a significant purchase of new equipment. She purchased a penthouse in the city. The art collector purchased a rare painting. Now, tips for usage. Use buy for everyday conversations and small transactions. Use purchase for formal contexts, significant transactions, and business communications.